In a time before motor vehicles, Gibraltar was a busy port for sailing ships and their crews. Over 100 years old and located in the port facility stands buildings that were used to hold sails and rigging for merchant and military vessels that used Gibraltar as a key gateway to the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. The ships have gone, but the buildings remain as robust as the day they were constructed. As part of a company-wide relocation from its long-term site, Toyota Gibraltar have moved into the historic naval buildings and renovated them for use as workshops and bonded warehouses. During the 18-month conversion, TGS has worked with the local heritage teams to retain the character of the buildings whilst introducing new cutting-edge equipment and technology to deliver just-in-time processes that make Toyota the leading automobile supplier. The warehouse facilities cover 2,500 square meters and has an internal volume of 15,500 cubic meters. The internal space is divided into working areas, goods inwards, where stock arrives into the facility, kilometers of three-spoke shelving for storage from its tiny fuses to oversized bull bars, a picking and packing area where customers' orders are picked and packed into industry-standard packing cases, and finally, a goods out area where the outbound collection and handover to the freight and workshop teams happen. Inside the warehouse, TGS carries fast-moving, genuine Toyota spare parts along with the off-road items such as bull bars and winches, communications equipment and ambulance items, as well as a bespoke tire storage system holding over 3,000 tires. For the team in the warehouse, they are responsible for the day-to-day management of the $6 million of stock. With an average of 1,600 stock lines comprising over 117,000 individual parts to account for, the warehouse team of 12 have many years of working in TGS and a depth of product knowledge, and to make that time as efficient as possible, TGS has invested in the warehouse hardware. The facility has space to park two 40-foot trailers side by side and offload via a fixed loading dock and an adjustable loading ramp. This combination speeds up unloading and loading and maximizes health and safety procedures. The team have two environmentally friendly electric forklifts and 4 pallet trucks to move loads around the facility with ease. A 5-ton goods lift to move consignments safely between floors. The cutting-edge storage system uses computer-controlled Toyota radio shuttles to handle pallets on the 8-meter racking system, which can hold 3,000 tires along with a mix of pallets. The central corridor is serviced by a Toyota narrow-aisle forklift that allows the user to rise to the level of the racking to safely remove pallets from the storage safely positioned by the radio shuttles. To control this amount of stock, TGS has its own IT systems and uses wireless handheld readers to pick and check stock items in real time. With parts orders running in excess of 7,200 per year, this equates to picking 32 individual orders every day and 1 new order to pick every 15 minutes. This results in 1/3 items being picked annually by the warehouse team. Let's take a trip with the parts order and see the process in action. Golden zone, fast-moving lines, IT barcode reader, genuine Toyota spares, experienced packers to avoid damaging fragile items, padding to secure the items in transit, fully sealed for customs and banded, order ID, ready for collection.